Welcome. Let's talk about what is a course section. A course section is a specific instance of a course, often tied to a particular term, schedule, and group of students. It represents the actual class that students attend, including details like meeting times and assigned instructors. Now let's see how you can create one. To create a course section in openSIS, follow these steps. After you create a course, navigate to the Add New Course Section button and click on it. This will open a form. Enter the title of the course section, calendar, grade scale, credit hours, seats, and attendance category. Here, you'll find advanced options where you can add extra customizations to your course section. For example, if your course section is weighted, turn on the weighted switch. Next, choose the duration for which the course section will be taught. This can be a marking period, or you may add a custom date range. Then, choose the scheduling type. Set the required parameters and click Submit. Congratulations! You have successfully created a course section.